If you've seen the Bixby app on your Samsung phone or heard about things like Bixby Voice or Bixby Vision, you might be wondering, what is it really and do you actually need it? In this quick video, I'll break it all down. What is Bixby app? Bixby is Samsung's own virtual assistant, first launched in 2017. It's built right into most Galaxy phones, tablets, smart TVs, and even some Samsung appliances. Think of it as Samsung's answer to Google Assistant or Apple's Siri, but with some unique features. Key features of Bixby. 1. Bixby Voice. This is Samsung's voice assistant. You can say "Hi Bixby" to make calls, send texts, set alarms, control settings, or even manage your smart home devices hands-free. Bixby Vision. This works through your camera. Point your camera at text to translate instantly, scan QR codes, identify objects or landmarks, and even get product info or similar images online. Bixby Modes and Routines. This feature automates tasks. For example, when you say "good night," your phone can automatically turn on Do Not Disturb, lower brightness, and set an alarm for the morning. Device integration. Because it's Samsung's own assistant, Bixby connects across the Galaxy ecosystem: phones, earbuds, TVs, and even smart fridges. Recent updates. In 2025, Samsung rolled out smarter Bixby features on its TVs, letting you search content, identify actors, and control your home, even when the TV is off. But at the same time, Samsung is also partnering with Google to bring Gemini as an alternative assistant, so Bixby's future is a bit uncertain. Should you use Bixby? Great if you're in the Samsung ecosystem, handy for automation and smart device control. Bixby Vision is useful for travel and accessibility. If you rely on Google Assistant, you may not need it. Some features feel redundant compared to other assistants. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. So, Bixby is basically Samsung's built-in AI assistant, with voice, vision, and routines to make your phone and devices smarter. What about you? Do you actually use Bixby on your Galaxy device? Or do you stick with Google Assistant? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if this breakdown helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff tech explainers that actually solve your phone questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.